Over-the-air updates on your Hyundai vehicle add information and feature enhancements safely and securely, all on your own schedule. Over-the-air or OTA updates are only available on certain Hyundai models. See the video description below to see if your vehicle has OTA update capability. OTA updates require an active Bluelink subscription for your Hyundai vehicle. And OTA updates also require your vehicle to have sufficient cellular connectivity to allow for downloads. Updates for your vehicle will download automatically. You will receive notifications when the download has completed on both your vehicle touchscreen and on the My Hyundai with Bluelink app if it's connected to your vehicle. When the update is downloaded, the vehicle will notify you on screen that it's ready to install the update. This will normally occur after the vehicle has been turned off and before the driver's door is opened. If the update notification disappears too quickly, you can change the vehicle settings to keep the display on until the vehicle door is opened. Select Setup, then General. Select Media options, then turn on Continue to play media when vehicle is turned off. To start the installation immediately, select Update Now or Start, depending on the model. Since the vehicle cannot be used while the update is being installed, you can also select Later if desired to perform the installation at a more convenient time. If you choose to update now, the vehicle will display a confirmation screen reminding you of the conditions needed for the update installation. Select Update Now again, and the installation will begin. Once the installation begins, the screen may turn off after 3 minutes or so. This is normal. Press the Start/Stop button to wake up the screen to see the installation progress. Once the installation has completed, you will receive a notification on the My Hyundai with Bluelink app. For more information on the features of your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.